morning. We're going to go downstairs and get hotel breakfast, and then we're checking out. And we are heading to Idaho?
Our next end of the day stop is Salt Lake City.
Yeah, so we'll be at Salt Lake City by this evening. But we have a few stops along the way. I'm excited. I'm a little tired though. I need some coffee. All right, now that we're all loaded up on carbs, we've had some coffee, I had a cinnamon roll and Fruit Loops. We're ready to hit the road. I have no idea where we are, but we decided to pull over because we saw this lake. This tells you how cold it is right now. It's frozen. That's all ice. Holy smokes. What did the temperature say in the car?
19 degrees.
19 degrees. Holy crap. Brr. This is beautiful, and we haven't seen another car in days. Well, that's exaggerating. It's been a while since we've seen another car. So I'm going to do a photo in the highway here that I've always wanted to do. You know, where you put the camera on the road and take a picture. So check my Instagram. The Twin Falls, Idaho area, and we're gonna stop real quick and take a peek at this canyon. Down below is Snake River. Now at Shoshone Falls, and it is gorgeous. We are going to do a little bit of hiking. We are going to go to an area where you could see the platform where Evel Knievel did his historic jump. I'm going to read a little bit about it. So, the Evel Knievel famous Snake River Canyon jump was September 8th, 1974. famous daredevil Evel Knievel climbed into a steam-powered rocket and attempted to blast across Idaho's Snake River Canyon. He tried and failed to leap the mile-wide canyon. His parachute malfunctioned and opened on takeoff, which then caused him and his contraption to float to the bottom of the canyon, landing on the riverbank directly below his launch ramp. So at the end of this trail, you can see that ramp. It's still there today. We found this little platform that has a view of Shoshone Falls, so we're going to do that real quick. Oh gosh, I'm terrified. I'm afraid of heights. Oh gosh.
Right here.
Oh, no guts, no glory. Oh goodness. Okay, here we are. Wow. Gorgeous. There it is. I zoomed in because we can't go that much closer than this because it's private property. And last I heard, the police use that area as a shooting range. So we definitely don't want to go over there. Now to make our trek back to the car, and we're heading into Salt Lake City, Utah. I almost had a panic attack because 5 minutes ago I saw a snake. Wow, I think that's my #1 biggest fear, and then my second biggest fear is heights over water. Whew. But we're facing fears on this trip, holy moly. Okay, to the car we go.
A few moments later.
Holy cow, guys, so we just had a moment. Yeah, we got pulled over by a cop. Is that the correct term?
Sure.
Yeah, boy, apparently we were going a few over the speed limit. Whoopity-doo. But anyway, yeah. He was really cool. The officer just gave us a verbal warning. You know, told Pete to slow down, pay attention, and for me to keep him in line. So, phew! Man, that could have been tragic to have that as an Idaho State souvenir, a speeding ticket. That would have sucked. I do have to wonder what the officer was thinking when he walked up to the car and saw the skeleton hanging in the back. We're from Portland. We gotta keep it weird even on the road. Oh, good grief. So we got about an hour until we get to the Utah-Idaho state border. So
30 minutes.
30 minutes. I lost half an hour of time. Yeah, distractions. Anyway, we're almost to Utah. Another state to check off on this road trip. Yay! Tried to catch the sunset, but we missed it, and I'm out of breath because I ran up a flight of stairs. But hey, that's the Great Salt Lake. Beautiful. Well, we're at our hotel in Utah, but the room key the guy at the front desk gave us will not open our door. So Pete is walking back to sort things out. But I can see into our room. So there you go, sneak peek. I will do a room tour once we get in. Fingers crossed that's hopefully soon. Okay, we are checked in, finally. After a couple hiccups, the key wouldn't work the first time. The guy at the front desk wasn't there when Pete went back. Ah, frustrating, but de-stress. We're staying at the Ramada near Temple Square, and this place is busy. There's some kind of an event going on at the restaurant up front, so the parking lot is completely full. Wow, and it's on a busy highway, so there's a lot of noise. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we sleep tonight. Anyway, let's do a quick room tour, and then we're going to head back out. Speaking of Temple Square, we're going to go check it out, and we're going to go to the mall and wander around and get something to eat. Okay, so I'm at the door, and this is your view when you walk in.
I'm not included in every room.
Well, yeah. So there's a little table and a chair, TV, dresser area, fridge, microwave. There's a full-length mirror that you can't really use as a full-length because that's kind of in a bad place. Whatever. Closet. I meant to bring Mr. Bones in here to hang in the closet, but I was a little stressed trying to get into the room. So, hi guys. There's a sink, coffee pot on the outside of the toilet area. Yes, that's how it should be done. Here's the toilet and the tub. Pretty standard. There's the bed again. Little end table and lamp on each side. Not too bad. Pretty standard. It'll do. Not too bad for the price. Plus, I'm getting 1,000 air miles through Alaska Airlines for booking it through their website. So, yay. Not sponsored, but hey, Alaska, if you ever want to sponsor me, hit me up. Okay, we are back from out and about running around. We did not make it to Temple Square, because by the time we got to the mall, it took almost an hour just to find parking. It was crazy busy. There's some kind of free concert going on in the Temple Square area. I just lost my voice for half a second. Anyway, we decided to just hit up the one store I definitely wanted to go to, which was the Disney store. You know me. Disneyed. I can't help myself. So we went to the Disney store, and then we went and had a late dinner at Johnny Rockets. Love Johnny Rockets. And then we decided to come back here, clean up, and call it a night. We're both really, really tired. It's been a long day on the road, and we have another long day tomorrow of running around and seeing more stuff. But before I call it a night and say goodnight to you guys, I'm going to do a haul of what I bought at the Disney store. So I got this bag. It's Nightmare Before Christmas. It's got Jack Skellington on it. Super duper cute. There's a catalog in there and other flyers and who's-its and what's-its and thingamablogs. I almost said, yeah, whatever. I almost said thingamavlogs. You guys remember them? Anyway, they had their Halloween stuff on clearance. It was all marked down and then like 25% off. So I got this really cute shirt. I hope you can see it. I know the lighting in here is poopy, but it says Happy Meow-Loween, and it's Minnie Mouse dressed as a cat. I thought that was so cute. So it was marked down, originally $24.95. It was marked down to $9.99 and then 25% off. Pretty cool. And then I got this Nightmare Before Christmas journal. It looks like an old VHS video cassette. I absolutely love that. So it's kind of retro, but it's a journal, and I love journals. I use these to keep track of video ideas or like road trips, what we did, etc., etc., etc. Loved this. This is super cute. This was $14.95. Little expensive, but I had to have it. It was so cute. They also had Toy Story and Beauty and the Beast, but Nightmare Before Christmas is my thing. That is it. That's the haul. That's my souvenirs from Salt Lake City. I'm going to go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow for another day of daily road trip vlogs. Bye.